BUBU and the Shy Little Boy. One bright summer day, Adam and his parents arrived at the Aquaticum Hotel. Adam was very excited. He had been waiting for this trip for a long time. The hotel had a big kids' playroom with all kinds of fun games for children. When they went inside, Adam felt a little scared by all the children and held his mother's hand tightly. He stood in a corner watching the other kids play, but he did not let go of her hand. The playroom was full of laughter. Children ran, jumped, and slid everywhere. Then Adam saw something special. BUBU, the friendly little elephant, sliding down the big red slide with other children, all laughing. BUBU had a happy smile, and the children were excited to go down the bumpy slide again and again. Adam's heart beat fast, but he still stayed close to his mother. "I'm too scared to play," he whispered. "That's okay, we can wait a little. But if you want, you can try any game," said his mother kindly. BUBU saw Adam and waved with a smile. "Hi," he called. "Look at our fun slide race. Come and try it if you want to." Adam slowly let go of his mother's hand and walked carefully to the slide. Next to BUBU, he felt safe. The children counted together. 3, 2, 1, slide! Adam took a deep breath and went down. At first, he was a little nervous, but when he slid down, he laughed out loud. The other kids clapped and cheered with BUBU. As time went by, Adam became braver. He slid many times, racing with his new friends, laughing and jumping. The kids' playroom was a magical place, and he had a wonderful time playing from morning to evening. That evening, when his parents called him for dinner, Adam looked up in surprise. Already time to go? He did not want the day to end. "One more slide, please," he shouted, laughing, and ran back to the slide. BUBU and the children showed Adam that being shy can be overcome with kindness and patience. Adam and his friends had fun every day in the kids' playroom and at the pools. Then they promised to meet again next summer in Debrecen for another slide race.